Good morning, dear children. Children, today's English work you will do in your notebook. So take out your notebook and open a new page. In this corner, you will write down date and then you will write the heading of today's work. And today's work is pictures of consonant cluster words. PICTURES pictures of CONSONANT consonant CLUSTER cluster WORDS words, pictures of consonant cluster words. After writing the heading, just underline it with blue marker pencil. Now write down number 1 here inside the margin line. Then beside this margin line, we'll write down CH. Okay? And put an arrow. Now I will draw the picture of a chair. Children, CH says cha. So with cha there are so many words like cherry, chips, chop, chicken, but I will draw the picture of a chair here. Draw an oval shape like this. Now drawing two slanting lines, two parallel sleeping lines. For joining these slanting lines, draw small vertical lines and one more curve like this. And for making leg of this chair, I am going to draw these sticks like that. And I'm making these legs with slanting lines. Okay? I will write the spelling of chair here. CHAIR, chair. Okay? Now write number 2. Write here ST, stir. Both are consonant letters. So ST, star, is a consonant cluster sound. So I will draw a stick here with the sound star. This is a stick. Okay? Write the spelling of stick. STICK. Okay? Write number 3 here. Here I have written bra sound, BR, bra, and I have drawn a brush here and I have written the spelling of brush, BRUSH, brush. Okay? Now write number 4 inside this margin line and write here pa and la, PL, pla sound. Pla is also a consonant cluster sound, and here I am going to draw a plant. Okay? Firstly I will draw a small pot. If you don't want to draw a pot, it's okay. Then I will draw a plant here. Now I am drawing few leaves of this plant here. You also draw like this. It's a small plant. So write here the spelling of plant. PLANT, plant. Okay? PLANT, plant. Okay? Now write number 5. Our next consonant cluster sound is FR, fra. Here I am going to draw a frog. It's very easy. Make a U shape here, then slanting line and curves like this, then make like this. It's a frog. Okay? If you want to make some design inside, you can make that. I'm making some polka dots. So write the spelling of frog. F-R-O-C-K, frog. Now write number 6. Okay. Now I am going to write next consonant cluster sound, and that is GL, gla. So with this sound gla, I am going to draw the picture of a glass here. This is the picture of a glass. Okay. Write the spelling of glass. G-L-A-S-S. Glass. Okay. Write number 7 here. Our next vowel cluster sound is FL, fla. So here I am going to make a flag. Okay. Here I am going to draw a tricolor flag. Okay. Children, you have drawn this flag in your drawing book, so you can draw it very easily. Okay. And we can color it later. Write the spelling of flag. F-L-A-G, flag. Now completed this exercise. Now I will color all the pictures. Now I am coloring this chair here with brown color. The stick is already black, so I am leaving it like this. Fill the favorite color in this toothbrush. My favorite is red, so I am coloring the toothbrush with red. Okay. Now coloring this plant with green. Okay. Coloring this frog with pink. Leave this glass like this. I am coloring the water only, the blue. Fill the colors in our tricolor flag like this. I have colored this chakra with blue. After completing the work, what will we do? We will draw a finishing line here. Okay. See children, I have drawn a finishing line here. Children, try to draw all the pictures on your own and learn all the name of them. Thank you. Bye-bye.